are you doing?
What does it look like, Debbie?
I mean with your life.
What are you doing with yours?
What am I doing? What am I doing? I am the regional manager at Arby's.
Ugh, a real dream come true.
Well, screw you, asshole. This isn't about me.
Well, it usually is, Debbie.
You know what? I am sick and tired of you sitting around on your ass all day. You're 21 years old. Have you even tried getting a job?
Yeah?
That's bullshit.
No, it's not, okay? I just haven't figured it out yet.
Well, what are you looking for?
I don't know.
Look, Karl. You should really do something with your life. Everyone is here to do something.
Well, buck you very much for the advice. Maybe next time I'll ask for it.
You know what? I am too tired for this shit.
Then shut up and go to bed.
Oh, screw you! By the way, happy birthday.
That was 5 years ago. I don't remember doing that.
Hey, what the hell, man?
Sorry.
You should be. I'd be sorry every day of my life if I were you.
Speaking of days, could you tell me what day it is?
Are you serious?
Yeah, I have, amnesia.
It's Monday, asshole.
What year?
Is this some kind of joke? You're a funny guy, huh? Some of us are trying to do some work here. Some of us are trying to make something of our lives. You know, I come here and I try to study my OChem, but there are a bunch of assholes crawling all over the place. So why don't you go back downstairs with your asshole friends and leave me the fuck alone? All right?
But...
Shh! This is a library.
But...
Shh! Shh!
Why is this happening? I haven't done anything. Literally, I haven't done anything with my life. Why? What is with this sneezing? Why is everyone so mean to me? What the hell?
Need a tissue?
Huh?
You're late.
Late? For what?
For your shift, kid. You're taking over my duties. Congratulations, kid. You're the new Father Time.
So, are you Father Time?
Everything except the beard and the penis. No. You mean this guy? He's dead. For centuries, this job has been passed down from person to person. It's your birthday, right?
Yeah.
And you sneezed.
Yeah.
Well, then there you go.
So, what do I have to do?
You'll figure it out. It's an easy job. Get to do whatever the hell you want. Just make sure you keep this clock ticking. Remember, 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. That's all you need to know. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got a hot date. Oh, I almost forgot. Now that you're here, you'll have some control over your sneezing, just in case there's some nasal spray in the filing cabinet. Catch you on the flip side.
Hello? Hello?
Well, Debbie, look at me now. Top of the world.